Hello, boys and girls. These are the words to know for lesson 22. The first word, number 1, is said. S-A-I-D, said. Said means somebody was talking about something. My dad said I could ride my bike. Number 2 is the word good. Good is spelled G-O-O-D. The O-O says in this sound, in this word. Good. Good. This watermelon tastes good. Number 3 is the word was. W-A-S, was. Was is past tense. It's when we're talking about something that already happened. It was our turn to do the dishes. Number 4 is the word then. T-H-E-N. Then. The baby played and then clapped her hands. Number 5 is ate. A-T-E. Ate. That means she was eating something, and it already happened. It's again another past tense word. Yesterday, we ate lunch outside. Number 6 is could. This is a hard word to read. We just need to know it because we cannot sound this one out. Could is spelled C-O-U-L-D. Could. We use this word when we are talking about something maybe. Did you know I could jump so high? These are the words to know for this story. Please reread these, stop the video, and review them until you remember them all. They're just like looking at somebody you know. The more you read these words, then you'll just remember what they are. Enjoy.